One of the key performance indicators we wanted to track as part of the accounts payable automation project was the time taken to approve invoices within our workflow. It could take anywhere from 1 to 4 people and on average 2 weeks to get our invoices approved. What we were finding was that the more people that approved invoices didn't necessarily translate to faster or more accurate payments. While Medius APA doesn't necessarily get rid of the approval process as a whole, it does give us the ability to build flexible rules to control who invoices go to and what approval limits each of those users has. Since implementing the platform and continuing to monitor this KPI, we've since managed to streamline our approvals process further by removing the amount of approvals necessary and the approval limits that are required for each of the users within the process. This means much less manual intervention from the AP team.